It looks good on there. Cleaned up real nice.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
Okay, what do we have here? As I said before, I needed to reject the carb on the blast from the past for one reason and one reason only. Might have guessed it, but we got new pipes. FMF Powercore 2. It's a little dirty, a little crusty. The header has a little rust on it, but there's no dents, no cracks, none of that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to repack this, but for now I'm going to get it on just to hear it run, just to gun it a little bit. We got some new packing on the way. I'm going to have to replace this little coupler. That's on the way. I already ordered a new gasket. That's here. And as you can see, the flange is welded on. For some reason they did that. Hopefully we don't run into any complications with the flange being welded on, but yeah, we're gonna get this thing cleaned up though before I put it on. I'm not gonna do a cleaning, but I am gonna get like a lot of this red dirt and try to get some of that rust off, and then later I'm gonna really like get down and dirty with it. But for now, I'm not gonna do all that. We just gonna get it cleaned up, do what I can, so I can get it on the bike and let's hear it. It's gonna sound like a real two-stroke now. Price I paid for this was $240 shipped. I think that's what I paid. I'm pretty sure it's about what I paid. About $240, $245 shipped. All right. So I'm all done cleaning up the new FMF pipe for the blast from the past. Cleaned up real nice. I used a combination of gunk, I think that's what it's called, degreaser to start it off, get all the surface dirt and rust off. And then we came back behind it with a combination of the wire wheel, Brillo pads, and WD-40. So you can see this silencer cleaned up. Real nice. This pipe didn't get as nice as I thought it would. A lot of this oxidation, just from my methods, I wasn't able to get, but I think one day eventually I'll be able to get it. But as you can see, pretty much got all the rust off. A little tiny bit here and there. Wasn't able to get all up in there like I wanted to in some of the crevices, but turned out pretty nice. It's gonna look good on there. Ain't perfect, but you know, still pretty nice. So I gotta get it jetted. Most people recommend the 280. Well, you can't really see it, but this is the 280. That's what I'm going with. So let's get the new jets in there and see how it run. Let go. All right. Of course, we got to do a before and after sound clip of what the blast from the past sounds like with the new FMF exhaust. So let me start it one last time. so you can hear it good. Okay, here we go. We got the carb off. Time to get the new jet in there. $250 in there. We gonna try the 280. Where you going? People recommend around like 270 to 290 for these. For the main, when you upgrade to the FMF. So we're gonna go in the middle range. It seemed like actually the 180 was like the popular. It was the most common recommended that I was seeing, so that's what we going with. The 180. Just like that, nothing to it. Pop the bowl back on top. There it is. On the FMF pipe. It looks good. It looks good on there. Cleaned up real nice. I don't know where that's supposed to. It's really nothing for that to really go into, but it's on there pretty sturdy. Coupler should do good for now. Got a new one on the way. But FMF looks good. Okay. First sound clip. Crack.